Welcome to Foodtastic. Let's see how to make bhel puri. Take one finely chopped onion in a bowl. With this, add one finely chopped tomato, grated half carrot, 1 teaspoon of green chutney, 1 teaspoon of sweet chutney. Mix it. Now add quarter cup of mixture, few unpuffed puri, quarter cup of roasted peanuts, half cup of save, 2 cups of puffed rice, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chaat masala, and half teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it together. Sprinkle some coriander leaves and serve immediately. Otherwise the puffed rice will lose the crispiness, and it becomes soggy. Alternatively, you can fry the puffed rice for 2 minutes in a fry pan before you making this, so it keeps the crispiness for long. Now the bhel puri is ready. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.